Good morning everyone. I myself Dharamveer Singh welcomes you on the behalf of J. Somnath English Medium School. Students, today we are going to learn English Standard 8, a beautiful poem that is McVitie, a Mystery Cat. It is written by the poet T.S. Eliot. It is a beautiful poem. You all might be having up the pet. Here the pet of T.S. Eliot, how he has described the cat because of his cleverness, why the cat is considered to be the animal which is different from other. It is been mentioned in the poem. Now, do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? Mysterious means that cannot be understood, means which is which makes him completely different from other. It is not easy to say whether every cat is mystery, but McVitie is one for sure. What is that makes him perfectly mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. So here the poet wants to know that all the cat are same, but the cat, is McVitie cat, which belongs to the poet, is different. What is different in it that we are going to learn in this poem. Now McVitie is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Paw means here the cat, the McVitie cat, is considered to be one of the hunter who is been doing up the crime, but in such a way that no one can find out that the McVitie has done it, because he has been doing the work with a hidden paw. Paw means we see the legs of the animals, that is called paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. So he is called the master criminal. Defy means who can easily disobey the laws or the regulation which are made by the government or by the master of the cat. He is bafflement of Scotland Yard. So he does a crime in such a way that he used to baffle, means he used to confuse the Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard means it is the headquarter of the London police. So he is doing the crime in such a way, but when the Scotland Yard, means when the police come over there, they are unable to find out the evidence that this crime is done by the McVitie. A flying squad disappear. A flying squad means ready to move into action. So when the Scotland Yard, when the police has came over there and they are ready to do the action to find out the criminal or to find out the culprit who has done this thing, so they are in the action but in despair, means in the loss of hope. All the action they have done, but it is completely in vain, because McVitie, who is considered to be the best criminal or the best culprit who does the criminal in such a way that it cannot be finded out. For when they reach the scene of a crime, McVitie not there. So even though the Scotland Yard police, they are being with the great force, when they reach over there, when they try to find out the evidence, but the McVitie is being not there. McVitie, there's no one like McVitie. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So here the poet is saying that no cat is like a McVitie, because it is easy for him to break all the human laws and to break the law of gravity. It is because it jumps in such a way that it has been floating in the air for a long time. His power of levitation. Levitation means floating in air without support. So when the cat jumps, it looks that it has been floating up. It has been flying up in the air for a long time. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of a crime, McVitie is not there. So when the police who has been there to find out the evidence for the crime, so that time they are unable, how many fast they could be, but they are unable to find the McVitie over there. You may see him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once, McVitie is not there. So the poet is saying that even though the police are with a great force, they are looking in the basement, up in the air, but the result is that the McVitie has completely gone away, and the police is unable to find them. McVitie is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. So the poet has compared the McVitie with a ginger. So we see the ginger, it is also tall and thin. The same way the McVitie is also such, it is also a tall like a ginger and thin also like a ginger. You may know him if you saw him, for his eyes sunken in. So if anyone has seen the McVitie, when anyone might have seen the eyes of the McVitie, it looks like the eyes are just below the water. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts and his head is highly domed. So his head looks like a slag. So it looks like that it is unable to find out the person that who is McVitie and what crime he has done. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. So when the person look at his coat, it is completely in the dusty from neglect. Means it is completely neat and clean, and even his whiskers. Whiskers means the mustache of the cat. It is uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movement like a snake. So the cat keep on moving its head from side to side just like a snake in order to save himself from the other person. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So when any other person think that his eyes are closed and the cat McVitie is sleeping, but it is not so. He is completely in the awake mood. McVitie, there's no one like McVitie, for he is flint, a flint shape. Flint means a devil shape. The poet compares the McVitie to a devil because the work what he is doing, that no person can do it and no one can find out the proof that the work is done by the McVitie. So for he is a flint of feline shape, a monster's like depravity, means he is very bad like a monster. You may meet him in the by street, you may see him in the square, but when the crimes discovered, the McVitie is not there. So when the McVitie is not doing any crime, you can find him in the square shape, in the square road also, or by the side of the road. But when the crime is done, that time whatever the police force you bring, whatever the things you bring, you will be unable to find the McVitie. So here in this poem we have seen that how T.S. Eliot has described the McVitie, his cat, in a great superior, just like a criminal. And whenever any of the police with a great force, when they try to find out, they are unable to find it.